Hello and welcome to Dove in Head First. My name is Lucy and today I'm going to make this very cute hair accessory. I have these three fabrics of varying length. I'm going to sew it diagonally as shown below. So that's been done already. Then I'll cut it off and turn it inside out. The length and size of the fabric is determined by the size of the flower that you want. So I want 3 different sizes of varying lengths. So the next thing is just take your piece of string and needle and sew it like I'm doing and just make it tight, and that will turn it into a flower. So just keep watching and you'll see what I'm doing. This project does not need a sewing machine. You can do everything by hand. I just chose to use my sewing machine because I have one. So the flower is done, so I'm just securing it in place. There's no formula for this. Just sew it in and out until you feel that it is nice and sturdy. So we are on to the second flower and it's the same process. In and out with your needle, pull it up and turn it into a flower, then secure it. So just tighten the string and then secure it so that it's in place like I am doing. Here we go, 3 flowers all done of different sizes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make the middle part of the flower. That's to cover the seam. So I'm just using beads and some very thin wire. I think it's 1 millimeter wires. It's very malleable. So put about 6 or so, and then just fold it until it makes the kind of flower that you want. So just watch and learn. I have no rhyme and reason on how to do it, but just whichever way you can play with it and make it look as cute as you want. So I've gone ahead and done all the, I think 4 parts. Now I'm doing the middle part to just cover the wire that's black. So once the middle part is done, I'm gonna string it inside the flower like I am doing over there. So the white didn't look good, so we went ahead and changed it to gold. So I did that off camera. And once you string it in, I will just drop the wire in to hold it securely. So again, no formula, just drop it in and hide it. So 2 are already done. I'm doing the final one, as you can see over there. So the next step is to hold the flowers together. I'm gonna arrange them from small to big. So I've taken about 4 pieces of wire, and I'm just gonna string them together, just tie them together to make them sturdy, like I am doing. So to hide the wire, I'm going to use a piece of fabric, same color as the flower, which I'm going to sew together, and then I'm going to string the wire inside as seen. Lastly, I'm just going to sew it together again. No formula, I just sew it until it's held together for the 3. And the flower is done. Very demure, very mindful, and very cutesy. If you stayed with me this far, thank you so much, and kindly stay tuned. I have a video tutorial coming up on how I made that bag and the top that I'm wearing.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. My mommy looks really good, and she also looks really cute. Please watch the next video. Please like, subscribe, and maybe a thumbs up would be good. Bye.